Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add service drop-down on top navigation. Log into the backend. Go to Catalogs and Categories. Now make sure that Help Support and General Terms tabs are active. Go to Storefront. Scroll down and click on Service Navigation. Search Service Help and click on it. Click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.